are off to Jalan Petaling in Chinatown. We're gonna go grab some clothing, a bit of food for tonight for dinner. We are exhausted from the jet lag, but still excited. It's nighttime now, as you can see, and it's a lot cooler compared to the daytime where the sun was beating down on us. So we're hoping to get some tasty treats tonight. Lots of deals here, Jalan Petaling Street. A lot of knockoffs if you're into that stuff. This is definitely the place to go to. It's pretty much regarded as the Chinatown of Kuala Lumpur. So,
flavorful.
What's that?
This is a pineapple dragon fruit, and they use fresh fruit.
How much was it?
It was 6 ringgits.
Which is?
Around, I believe, $2 Canadian.
Well worth the cost.
Oh yeah.
Do you think there's a rodent problem here? Just guessing there is. Okay, so what are we deciding on?
Well, we just need a couple of outfits to carry us over until we get our luggage. So I've been looking at there's some dresses that are very simple that could be worn again in the future.
How many ringgits is that one?
So this is 10 ringgits.
10 ringgits, so 10 divided by 3, that's about 3 something, equivalent Canadian.
That's not bad.
Is that right?
So that may be an option there. There's shorts, but I'm not too sure. These are on clearance for 5 ringgits.
That's $1 something. We'll put that in the maybe file.
It's like a jumper with overalls. And this is 20 ringgits.
$6 something Canadian.
So maybe.
So the prices here in Jalan Jalan Japan, very reasonable. We were at Family Bundle in the Jalan Petaling area yesterday, so it was very reasonable for the prices that we got, like a couple pairs of shorts and t-shirts. I think it was like 8 items we got yesterday for about 17 equivalent Canadian.
Most items at the Family
much is that?
This is 15 ringgits.
Okay.
Just thinking of things that I can wear often instead of just buying things too, because we don't have right now. But some nice dress. This one's not tagged, so I'd have to find out how much that one would be.
That one is
This one here is 15 ringgit.
15
It's from the
ringgits.
Gap.
Oh, so
the
it's
Gap
about
is quite pricey.
about $5 something versus back in Canada at Value Village or something would be way more expensive,
Maybe like $20 Canadian.
at least.
From the Gap, it's 20 ringgits.
20 ringgits, so it's $6 something. Definitely in Malaysia you'll need very light clothing. As the day progresses, the heat comes out and it just pounds down on you very hot. That one is a no? Okay.
You gotta also look through your clothing. I'm noticing there's stains on some of them that may not come out, so be very careful. I have a couple of shirts and I'm just gonna see.
That one is how much?
This one's 10
10 ringgits, $3 something.
So it's lightweight. Kind of look for materials that are breathable, whether you also better quality. So.
Definitely the thrifting opportunities over here in Malaysia are 10 times better than back in Canada.
This one's five ringgits.
So $1 something,
Yeah. And this one here is also, no, this one's 10 ringgits.
10 ringgits, $3 something.
And that's all the ones I
Okay, and what I want is a lunch bag, practically brand new. And this 20 ringgits, so $6 something. Brand new. Can't beat that. And we got a bunch of slippers,
Slippers.
and that was like 6 ringgits, so $2 about. So very happy with our shopping here. We're gonna go cash out.
So we just finished Jalan Jalan Japan and we're very excited. So we got some goodies here and our total came to 94 ringgits, which would be around $35 Canadian. So we're super excited what we've gotten. And if you're here in Malaysia, you must visit this place if you like thrifting.